To understand the Debank MetaMask integration, we first need to break down what each component is. MetaMask is a popular digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrency. Debank, on the other hand, is a comprehensive crypto portfolio management platform that enables users to track their assets across various wallets and exchanges. The integration of Debank with MetaMask allows users to link their MetaMask wallet to their Debank account, providing a seamless way to track and manage their cryptocurrency portfolio. This integration offers several benefits, including the ability to monitor wallet balances, track transaction history, and analyze portfolio performance. To set up the Debank MetaMask integration, users need to follow a few simple steps. First, they need to create a Debank account and go to the Add Wallet section. Then, they select MetaMask as the wallet type and connect it to their Debank account using a QR code or by manually entering their wallet address. Once connected, Debank will automatically synchronize the user's MetaMask wallet data, allowing them to view their balances, transaction history, and portfolio performance. The platform also provides advanced analytics and insights, such as profit and loss tracking, asset allocation, and market trends. Best practices for using the Debank MetaMask integration include regularly updating wallet balances, monitoring transaction history, and using the platform's analytics tools to optimize portfolio performance. Users should also ensure that their MetaMask wallet is properly secured, using features such as two-factor authentication and a strong password. In conclusion, the Debank MetaMask integration is a powerful tool for cryptocurrency investors, providing a comprehensive and user-friendly way to manage their portfolios. By following the steps outlined in this guide, users can easily set up the integration and start tracking their assets today.